Hi, sir, ma'am. Let me express my sincere love and gratitude in this Teacher's Day for your endless supports and for all your efforts to raise me a better human being. I was an empty pot, a colorless canvas, engulfed by some random ordinary flies. My wings were motionless and my dreams were pale blue before we met. But I turned from a firefly to a falcon by your kindness. Dear teachers, it's you who filled treasures in me with the golden letters and ignited thoughts. It's you who painted my mind with different beautiful colors. It's you who taught me how to fly high with extraordinary dreams. If there is a reason for me to stand straight, my head up, it's no one but only you. You always dwell in my heart to spread light in the darkness. Thank you for being my teacher. Thank you for being the reason for my smile. With love, your student.